Okay guys, so today I want to show you Blogi. Blogi, which is a new software, a new AI software that allows you to generate content that Google loves, right? And this is a really cool AI writer because it allows you to select from 10 or 11 different AI models, right? That's pretty cool because if you want to create a blog, you can choose from Claude, which is the most popular AI model in the market right now. You can choose GPT-4, GPT 3.5, and a bunch of others, right? And that's really cool and also allows you to schedule your articles. You can integrate it with your own WordPress website. So essentially, you have to create some campaigns. The AI will write those articles for you and publish them automatically on your website. And a nice feature that they have is the AI images because it also allows you to create AI images related to your blog post. That's pretty cool. And it's a really cool software, especially considering the pricing. It's really, really affordable comparing with what we have in the market. Now, the content that Google loves. Okay, so we all know that in March this year, 2024, 5th of March, they release the new Google Core update, right? And it's still rolling out. As of today, 15th of April, is still rolling out. Now, the idea is Google released a bunch of updates in the past 8 months. And ever since the helpful content update, a bunch of websites got clapped. Okay, because the content that you create with AI, and it's all related to AI, trust me, all you will do is just go on ChatGPT, write me an article about this and that. You will copy and paste that article inside your WordPress and it will rank, right? But that content is trash. Okay. And I say it again, I said it all the time, and you probably heard it. AI should be an assistant. AI should not do the work for you. Okay. Now, with this latest Google update, the biggest problem is the spam content. Okay. And if you think about it, like if you copy and paste your AI content from ChatGPT, paste it on your website, that's spammy content because you don't proofread it, you don't make slightly adjustments to the content, add your own touch to it, you just copy and paste, right? That's spam. And also auto blogging, okay? Because they said it all over again. Don't use AI tools to post your articles, like 100 articles each day. And that was a big problem. So with this new Google Core update from March, a bunch of websites got clapped. You think you will get a bunch of articles, you will post them on your website and rank in Google just like that. It doesn't work like that. Trust me. And I always said it, like if you use AI, use it carefully because it's too easy. I mean, it's too easy to make these articles, post them on your website and rank in Google. Okay. So, and I say this again with this software. I mean, don't get me wrong. Blogi is a really, really cool software, right? And the best part and the best feature is that you can select from 10 or 11 different AI models. Okay. And I tried it. And in my opinion, GPT-4 is one of the best AI models in the market as of today, right? Forget about Claude. I heard about Claude, tested it out, but it doesn't even come close with ChatGPT, with the GPT-4, sorry. Okay. And I did some articles, I've created some articles, and the idea is no matter what AI you use, the AI footprint will be there and Google will know about it. It's impossible not to know about it. Their algorithm is way more advanced than these AI writers, okay? Now, what I'm trying to say here, okay, where I want to go is that yes, you can use AI writers, okay? You can use them, but don't post like 10 blog posts a day. Don't just copy and paste those articles into your website. because it doesn't work. It won't work, and your site will be clapped by Google. And how you should use this AI software. In this case, we have Blogi. We have the article, right? Copy that article into a WordPress document and make some adjustments, add your own touch, make it feel like it's a human written content, even though this software is trained really, really good to output that human written content, but do your own stuff with that content. Okay, add some paragraphs, add some headings, add some more information, right? uh, Rewrite some paragraphs in your own words, and don't post 10, 50, 100 articles a day, because Google will notice that. What you should do is just create these articles and post like once a day. Okay, and that's it. Now, if you want to pick this up, the link is down below in the description of this video. And if you click on that, you will be redirected to my website where you can find more information about Blogi, including the pricing, the upsells. There is also a bundle deal. You can also check out my bonuses, and all of these bonuses are free part of your purchase if you decide to pick up Bloggy AI through my link, and they will be delivered instantly inside of your JVZoo account. Now, with the pricing, we have 5 upsells, but we also have the bundle. And the bundle essentially will give you the entire funnel except upsell number 5. So you'll get everything, upsell number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and obviously the front end offer at a one-time payment. But I have a coupon code for you guys. If you decide to pick up the bundle, use this coupon code and you will get $50 off, right? From the price that you see on the sales page. And if you want to get the bundle, just click on this green button. But if you want only the front end offer and maybe one of these upsells, just click on this red button. Okay. Now, what I want to mention also is that if I go to articles here, so we have these articles, and I also did some rewrites, because you have the rewrite, you also have the writer, and the writer essentially allows you to create these articles without the campaigns, without the scheduling, without everything. Just select your campaign, the model that you want, the language, the topic, the style, the keywords, and it will create these blog posts automatically, okay? But I will show you how everything works, right? Now, what I want to mention is that I did a few articles, okay? And if I go here, let's check out this one. I mean, they look pretty chunky. They look pretty good, right? And as you can see, we have Claude 2 as the model, right? Now, if I copy this, even though the content is sound really, really good, but if I put this into Quillbot, 100% AI generated, right? If I go to this Zero GPT website, 100% AI generated. But let me show you something. So I want to get this and rewrite it. I will choose the campaign and the model GPT-4. Now I'll click on rewrite now. And what I want to show you is the difference between Claude and GPT-4. And yeah, I will get this content and put it through these AI detectors. So this is the text, and it's going to give you the meta description, which is really cool, the keywords, the text, the categories, and all that good stuff. But I want to put this here, analyze again. Okay, 100%. Man. But as you can see on this one, 0 GPT, 0 GPT. Okay, 0 AI. So yeah, but as I said, you will have to proofread it, add your own stuff, add your own touch, rewrite some words, right? So yeah, but in a nutshell, guys, this is a really cool software. And yeah, now I will show you how everything works, and then I will come back and show you the pricing and the upsells.
All right, guys, I'm logged in into Blogi, and this is the dashboard. This is the first screen you see with some helpful information. There is a set of tutorials. If you want to know how it works, you can watch the tutorials too. Below that, we have some graphs which tell you how many articles were created each day and how many of them were posted. For example, on 18th Feb, one article was written and it was in draft mode, so you can exactly see what Bloggy has been doing for you. Below that, you can see all the recent articles that were created and their status. And if you want to view them, you can take a look at them and see how they are working. For example, if you want to take a look at this article, now this is not in English. From what I can tell, it looks like Turkish. Blogi does support multiple languages. You can write your articles in any language. But let's go back and let's pick up an English language article. So this is an English language article, and Blocky has done all the work to generate this article, including the headline, and it's even generated the image based on the content that it's written. It has created the image too, and the image will be posted alongside your article. So all of this is neatly laid out. You can see that this was a recipe, so even the ingredients are in a separate section, just like you would want to post in your recipe blog. All the details are here. Now, the best thing is Blocky just doesn't write the articles, it also does the SEO. So once you scroll down, you will notice that you've got the meta description neatly written. You've got keywords all neatly selected out. It's studied the article and found the keywords that you should be targeting. You've got tags. It's even picked out categories and created a slug for the article, and also picked out an excerpt. So your article will be posted with all SEO work done. You don't need to do a single thing. Let me show you how easy it is to set this up. Go into campaigns. Now I have a bunch of campaigns already there. You can create a new campaign by clicking on add campaign, and this is where you put in all the data. So you can give it a name and give it a topic. So I'm selecting recipes. Now you have to connect your blog, and it's a very easy process. Go into the admin of your WordPress blog, click on users, select the user that you want to use for this, then scroll to the bottom and then create a new application password. Give it any name, then click on add new application password, select the password, come back, and you can paste it over here. The login name is same as your username, which is Cyril Gupta in my particular blog. So I will write my name here, and then the blog URL. So you'll just grab the URL without any other directory, and that's it. And you can also decide whether you want to post your posts to the blog in publish or draft mode, and also select some keywords. So Blogi will try to center the content around these keywords. You can use as many as you want, use 5 or 15, it doesn't matter. When you're ready, click next. Next, Blogi lets you actually connect a source website to your blog. So if there are other websites that you want to get content from, you can connect them to Blogi, and Blogi will find the latest articles from those websites, rewrite them, make sure they pass copyscape, and post them to your website. Let me show you how it's done. So I have another website over here. It's a recipe website that's open, and I want Blogi to get the content from that website and use it as a source material from my website. So I'm going to open one of the articles there, then right click, click on inspect. This will open the browser developer tools. Then click on this little tool over here and then select the actual article. So here you can see I'm not selecting the entire website or any other section. I'm selecting the actual article section with all content just like this. And then whichever element is highlighted, right click on it and click on copy, copy selector. Come back to Blogi, put the article selector over here, and then put the article main page in this box. Click on plus, and Blogi will already get some articles from the website and show you. If you want to publish any of those articles, you can do that by checking on this. All the future posts will be picked up from this blog. Whenever you're ready, just click on add, and the next step is you can actually add more sources if you want. Click on next and you can select how often you want to update your blog. Blogi gives you absolute control. You can select even the months that you want to update, the exact days. Let's say you want to update the blog every day or every third day or fourth day, that's possible. Or if you want to update your blog on specific days, let's say Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, you want a post to come up on your blog, that's possible. You could even choose specific days of the month and even choose the time. So if you want to have the posts come up on every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 5 a.m., you could do that. So that gives you absolute control over how often you want to update your blog. And once you're satisfied with this, click on next and you can do some AI tuning. You can select the AI model that you want to use to write your article, and Blogi gives you quite a bunch. And this list is growing continuously. For example, let's say if you want to use GPT 3.5, that's possible. You can select the language that you want to write the article in, and this gives you a capability to even have the source material, for example, in English, and have your target blog come up in Chinese or Croatian or whatever language you want. For this particular instance, let's choose English. And according to the AI you choose, of course, the languages will change too. So you will have the correct option for every AI, and you can also put in the style that you want your articles to adopt. So if you want it to be comic, that's possible. Casual and friendly, absolutely. Or if you want it to be more academic, you can put in anything you want. So if you want it to emulate a certain style, let's say like the Gettysburg Address, you can put in anything that you want. So in this particular instance, I will write casual and friendly. And then you can also put in your style sample. So if you want Bloggy to emulate your style sample, maybe you've written some articles already and you want it to be similar to that, you can just grab like a bunch of paragraphs, 6 or 7 paragraphs from your content which best represent you, put it in there, and Bloggy will try to emulate that style. Next, you can also give it a personality. So something like 35-year-old male chef, whatever you want to write, you can put in here, and Bloggy will try to put glimpses of that personality in the content that you create. Now, like earlier, Bloggy can create images too for your content. So if you tick mark that, Bloggy will create the images. And if you're taking content as a source from other websites, you can choose to rewrite each paragraph para by para, and that will create an article which is more closer to the original source. But of course, that will take a little more credits, but this is more control for you. You can also decide how long you want your articles to be. So 1200 is a pretty good length. If you want to go shorter or longer, Bloggy gives you that capability. And we have created a special algorithm based on customer feedback, which is called the smart mode. And the smart mode actually does multi-pass AI writing to create articles that are even more unique, even more higher quality, and adhering to the word count. So if you want to use that, you can do that too. Click on next. And this is where you set up the promotion information for your blog. So you can set up a footer text, something like subscribe to my list to get more updates. You can put any information, maybe put affiliate links or whatever you want here. And you can ask Bloggy to rewrite it each time. So Bloggy will use AI to rewrite the footer each time so that no two articles are same. Next, you can also promote links inside the article. So you can add as many links as you want, put in a link test, for example, like technicforce.com, and put in the link you want to promote. Click on plus and you can add multiple links. Whenever Bloggy writes an article, it will try to use one or some of those links inside the article. And if you're rewriting another person's article, another person's website, you can choose to either retain the links in the original article that you get, or you can choose to replace them or just eliminate them. It's totally on you. And you can also choose how many articles you want to keep ready at any point of time. Click on next, and then you can choose to be notified by email whenever Bloggy takes some action. Like whenever an article is written, you can choose to be notified. You will get an email which will have a link to the article. You can just click on the link, see the article, make sure that's something you like, and if you want to modify, you can do that. And you can also be notified when the article goes live on your blog. So if you do that, you will get an email which has a link to the published article, and you can click on that link and see the article on your website. You can also choose what email you want to be notified on. And if you don't choose anything, Bloggy is going to just send the email to the email that you signed up with. Click finish, and that's it. Your campaign is created. Bloggy will start publishing articles to your website on your schedule. And that's not the end of the story, though. Bloggy also gives you some powerful tools in case you want to do some AI writing yourself. So there is a rewriter. You can put in any text. You can just select the campaign to just maintain the style and other instructions. You can select which AI you want to write with. So if you want to write with GPT 3.5 or Cloud 2 or any other AI, it's totally on you. And you can decide whether you want to rewrite this para by para or not, and click on rewrite now. In just a few seconds, Bloggy will ready your article. And here we have your rewritten article with the headline, with the image, beautiful image generated, all the sections are here. Even the SEO work is already done. You can publish the article right away, or if you want to copy it over, you can copy it section by section or the entire article and put it on your blog. Now, those of you who want to use AI as a writing tool to manually rewrite, Blogi has a manual rewriter too, which is very powerful. Again, choose the campaign you want to work on, choose the AI you want to use, choose the language that you want to create the blog in, choose any topic that you want to write on, choose the style, choose the keyword if you want to put in any, and then click on next. And Blogi will write a new article for you as your starting point in just a few seconds. So here's your funny article about nuclear research ethics. It's a great starting point for you. If you want to change anything, it's easy. Click on the text. Like here, you can either type yourself if you want, or you could use AI again. We've got tools to rewrite this particular paragraph. For instance, click on this. It will automatically rewrite the paragraph and put it here. You can check it. If it's something that you agree with, click on the replace button and it will be, the text here will be replaced. You can even expand text if you want. For example, let's say you divided it further into smaller paragraphs, and for some reason you wanted to expand this line, you can click on the expand button and it will be done. Or if you want to create an image based on this, for example, let's see this text and you want to create an image based on this text, click on the image generator and you will have a new image created. Here we have a bunch of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles talking about science and ethics. What a great image, guys. So this is a great way to create your article. You can modify anything. You can use AI to write sections, and you can use AI as a great writing assistant, creating great illustrations. And then you can publish the article right away to your blog, or you can add it to the publishing queue. And this is how easy it is to set up an automated or even person run blog with Blogi. You can go fully automated if you want, or if you want to use AI to write articles manually, both are possible. Now, if you are somebody who's got the reseller account, you can even give other people access to Blogi. So that depends on your access. And this concludes the demo. I hope you like Blogi, and I will see you on the other side.
Okay, guys, so the front end offer is going to be $19. I mean, you have a few options, but it starts at $19. The option number one is going to be the publisher version 97, and this allows you to create content at scale, right? So you post these articles like hundreds of articles every single day. But what's cool about this is that you can connect up to 20 blogs, right? That's pretty cool. Also, you get a commercial license. Option number two is going to be the reseller version 147. This allows you to sell Blogi as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Option number three is going to be Converti 67. This one is a sales page builder, funnel builder, something like that. Option number four is going to be done for you auto blogs, and 147, but this comes with a yearly payment. So every year you will have to pay 47, and they will do everything for you. They will set up the blog, the hosting, the domain. So yeah, basically you get a blog done for you. Option number four is going to be AI Collective 67, and this is a software where you have AI assistants, you can chat with documents, a prompt engine, and more. And the bundle will essentially give you everything except upsell number five at one-time payment. So use my coupon code to get $50 off if you want to do that. So yeah, now I like this software. It's a really cool software, especially the fact that you can choose from 10 different AI models. So just when you think about it, when you want to go with GPT-4, you have to pay $20 a month, right? But you have GPT-4 inside Blogi and you only pay once. I mean, a one-time payment. Obviously, this is the launch period, and the launch will end in the 21st, I think, or 20th of this month, 20th of March, of April, sorry. But yeah, after that, the price will go up. So if you want this, you might want to get it during the launch, because this is the most affordable option that you can get, like with these AI tools right now. Okay. So yeah, now yeah, I think I will end this video here, guys. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask them below. Also, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will catch you up in my next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.